Good evening, everybody. Figured I'd get a jump start on the box opening here instead of waiting for the game time. Since I'll probably be busy, figured do it now, enjoy it, and share it. And here's something else I got. Thought I'd check these out. Picked these up at the Dollar Tree. It says their card stand support pour cartes. 3 pieces for $1. And I figured they'd work for ball cards. They kind of show them like using them for business cards or something, but they look pretty slick. I figured I'd use them for my card garden. Give a shout out to old Clark Sports Cards. Guess you put your own little, heck, you could put a little card back there almost just for background even. That's pretty slick, man. I'm gonna get some more of these. Well, that's pretty slick, isn't it? Check that out. And it even tilts. Well, that's pretty slick. On a bigger card. You could do it like that on that one, because it's adjustable or whatever. Hell, I think that would be pretty sweet. Yeah, that's pretty slick. I'd probably break it if I try and squeeze something, a top loader in between there, but it's probably a real thin card. You could probably put it in there, but you wouldn't really want to trust not damaging your stuff though. It's still too small for something like that, but still use it as a card stand. But anyway, cool. Yeah, I got me 2 packs of them, but I figured that'd fill up my card garden pretty good. We can put it to use. Yeah, he actually had a better week than Patrick Mahomes did. Old Justin Fields. It's like if I would have played him, I might have won one of my games in one of my leagues. So tomorrow night we got Jets and Colts. And we got that new quarterback that everybody's probably looking for, going through your 2018 football, looking for Mike White, since he did his little 3 touchdown, 2 interception game, but he had 405 yards. His playoff rookie card is number 239. So just to help you out there a little bit, I did a little bit of eBay researching and not really price checking, but I was just trying to figure out, trying to make it easy on myself to looking for his rookie cards. And then there's that Cowboys quarterback, Cooper Rush, 2 touchdowns, 1 interception, 325 yards. You find his rookie cards in 2017. Nick Bosa. Already doing the flip Rooney. David Montgomery. Daniel Jones. Give a shout out to Diamond Princess. We got to get her 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. She's getting close to 700. So figure if we can give her another 100 this month, those 100 will tell their friends. So then we can double that. But show her a little community love there. It's funny when I've gone on there and checking out videos and I'm reading the comments, I start recognizing some of the people that are leaving comments. It's kind of funny. Levante David, Kirk Cousins, Bobby Wagner, Josh Jacobs. Boy, that Henry Ruggs screwed up. Oh man. And I screwed up by not getting rid of his cards before that happened, but I'm no psychic. That was horrible. Fred Warner. Zach Cunningham. There's Derrick Henry. I think he's done for the year, or he might be back right at the end. I sent one of his 2017 Absolute Rookie Roundup. I sent that into HGA to get that graded. And then I sent in Wilson Contreras, Tops Now, rookie card. And then I sent in Shohei Ohtani, living set. And then I sent in a Tyler Hero, Mosaic rookie card. And was that 5? I sent in 5 altogether. TJ Hawkinson. Did the old 30-day turnaround time. I'm hoping I get that Ohtani back and get at least a 9, hopefully, and then turn that and hopefully make a profit, and then use that money to grade some more cards. But the next time I grade, I'll do the 60-day, just for the fact that it's cheaper, and it actually takes about 90 days, but you know. Trey Hendrickson, Tua Tagovailoa, Sam Darnold, Kenneth Murray, Larry Fitzgerald, T.Y. Hilton. See, those works in them. They're pretty slick. Oh man, I'm getting some more of them. I'm going back. And I'm gonna give me another little Christmas tree too. I got that out there also. I like it. Can't beat it for $1. I hear the Dollar Tree's raising their prices. That's what my dad told me. So I don't know if they're gonna call it the $1.25 tree or how they're gonna work that now. DJ Shark Jr., he's hurt. Alvin Kamara, he's got a buddy now down there as a running back, doesn't he? Oh yeah. Melvin Ingram. They got him back off of what, the Ravens? That sounds about right. Was it? Is that where you go? Okay, I'm going to stick with that one, because I think that's right. Miles Jack. Joe Namath. Ezekiel Elliott. Another Derrick Henry. That must be the short print, and I think the... What was the other? Oh, he must have had the helmet. Even though he's hurt, so it really don't matter. He's taking time off. We gotta give him a day off. Bobby Wagner. There he is, yeah. See, there he is, the helmet. And there you got the no helmet. But yeah, I'm just glad I got to open up some Donruss. I was trying to talk my buddy out of one of the mega boxes of Donruss that he had. I was about ready to offer up a select hanger for it, but I've had pretty good luck with them hangers. So he might just sit on it for me if I tell him I'll pay him in a couple weeks and just buy it off him. There's Patrick Mahomes. Yeah, I was hoping to talk him out of it tonight to where I'd rip that instead of this, and this box I could have saved till tomorrow. Oh boy, the mask up, Mahomes. That was exactly what I was waiting for all day. I really could have did without them mask cards, truthfully. Jameson Crowder. What am I separating them for? I don't know. It's gone that way. Or if that's a, or if he's got a hat and a no hat one also. I don't know what number that is. 180. There's Kelvin Joseph, cornerback for the Cowboys. Do the old flip Rooney. I think it's going to start getting interesting here. Zaven Collins, Cardinals. Rated rookie. Oh. He's not being agreeable. Maybe straighten that up. Yep, look at that. Oh, I guess you can't see it over there. So better move that over here then. That's doing a little Cardinals action in there. We need to find a Jets player though. Jets. Found one. We got Jameson Crowder. We'll throw him up there. Since we got Colts and Jets. And truthfully, I'm going to say the Colts are going to win it. But yeah, Jets could have some momentum building. Emir Smith Marset, rated rookie, Vikings. Now, if the game's rigged, it's for certain going to be the Jets. Scripted. But anyway. There's Javon Holland, Miami Dolphins. But yeah, I sat that Naheem Hines down. He just hasn't been consistent for me on my fantasy football league. Byron Pringle killed me last week, 1 point. It's like, thank you very little. We got Patrick Peterson here for the Cardinals in a red press proof, so that's nice. But it says he signed with the Vikings. So, I'm sure all you Vikings already knew that. Okay, and then we got Cooper Kupp. Red. I think he's whooping some butt. It won't tell you on the back of this card because you have to wait till next year's stats. Nice looking red. There we go. We're going to switch this one out here, give you guys a little Jets action. In a red parallel. Christmas colors. This video is going to be relevant for a couple months. Alright, we got Marquez Stevenson, Buffalo Bills, rated rookie. Man, I've been up for a long time. Devontae Smith. I'm glad tomorrow I get to sleep in. Yeah, at least the garbage trucks don't come until tomorrow. I mean, not tomorrow, but the next day, because I think I got that Hebert already, or Herbert. Seasons with the Rookie of the Year honor. I think I might have that one. Unless, well, they probably got a series of highlights for my bet. I bet I just got one of them. Huh. That's still nice looking cards, though. Andre Johnson, Texans. Who we got there? Is that Peyton? It certainly is. Hall of Fame induct. Oh, sweet. Don't I got this one already? Yeah, I think I got this one already. Well, that's good. Then I can probably sell it. Man, that would have been a nice one to get graded. It would have been all fancy in a little HGA case, even though it's probably not worth that much. But hey, if it come out of 10, it might be worth a little bit. But HGA don't give 10s, so maybe 9.5. Alright, who else we got in here? Michael Carter, Jets. Man, I think it might be a Jets night for some reason. I'm just not feeling the Colts vibe. Here, we'll just get a... What do we got for... Well, we got to get this going. Alright. Let's build a little card garden here. We still got a few cards to thumb through. Oh! There went that. There went my little fancy display. All that hard work and effort. Have to stack it again. Here we go. You guys didn't even see that, I don't think. Well, good deal. That was all off camera. Off camera shenanigans. We actually had a baseball card in this video. I was trying to make it relevant by having all football stuff. What was I gonna put up there? Oh yeah. Well, I hate covering up my Chiefs. We'll cover up old Justin Fields there. Who was that again? That was Michael Carter. Get a little light on him or something. There we go. Just as bright and pretty as she can be. Final 3 to 4 cards. We got Aaron Jones. Do the flip Rooney here. And we got Justin Tucker, Elite. Oh, he's that kicker that, yeah, he's only got like a couple rookie cards and they're like $100 a piece. Or near that. Can't remember whose video I was watching had that information. I think it was a baseball card collector, investor, dealer, in that order. Devontae Smith, Eagles. And who we got here? Tua. Yep, nice little kind of 3D looking power formulas. Alright, I'd say we did alright, but yeah, I'd say kind of looks like the game's going to be lopsided tomorrow, because see if we got any Colts in here that we missed out on. It looks kind of lopsided. Looks like I got a bunch more Jets cards. Titans. Well, then it'll probably definitely be the Colts that win, because usually that's how it works. Is whoever I got the least amount of cards of is whoever wins the World Series or Super Bowl. There's another Jets, Joe Namath. So, boy, it's kind of looking like the Jets are going to have it tomorrow. I guess this video's for the Jets, huh? Guess we better say the Jets are gonna win it. Maybe it's a sign. Alright. I better go take me a nap. Get a little crazy. Talk to y'all later.